purchasing your super truck, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on some of your equipment that you have and the operational use of it. Right here you have your air conditioning controls, you have your power, your defrost. This controls the heat on your mirror. This controls your multiple level of air condition. This turns your AC on. This is your max AC, and this is your recirculating button. This controls your variable temperature, and this is your fan. To the left we have your air gauge that tells you what pressure your air is at in your truck. Right here we have a 12-volt charging system. Right below that you'll see a USB port and a headphone jack, and that is what your iPod cable attaches to use your iPod through your radio. Here you have your typical 4300 Pioneer radio / DVD player. You hit the window button right here to hook up your phone. You hit the Bluetooth and it'll pull up a screen, and this right here is your PIN code, is 0000, and that'll hook your phone up to your radio. That way you can talk through your phone through your truck. Here you have your 4-way camera system. You have your right camera, your reverse camera, and your front camera, and your left camera. When you turn your blinker on to the left, it'll automatically go to the left side of the truck, and if you go to the right side, it'll automatically go to the right side. And then when your blinker's not engaged, it'll go back to the 4-way split screen. Below it we have your automatic transmission and your air brake, and we have another 12-volt, and this here is to turn on your rear backup lights, and there's a tag right here that tells you what it's for. And right here we have your subwoofer control knob. This controls your bass volume for your stereo. On your steering wheel you have your on-off for your cruise control. It's your reset, your set Excel, and your coast. Up here we have your voltmeter, your hour meter, and your temperature meter. This button right here, this is your dump valve, so in case you're trying to load a trailer, it dumps the back of your truck. This is your traction control, and this right here is your sunroof controls. There's one-touch operation. You touch this and it vents the sunroof. You touch the center button and it closes your sunroof. And if you touch this button, it opens it all the way. And it's ignition control, so if you forget to close the sunroof, whenever you do turn the truck off, the sunroof will close. You come over here, we have your 4-wheel drive switches. This is your front axle, and this is your transfer case. Now you always need to be in neutral before you put it into 4-wheel drive. You engage the front axle, and it shows you a light, and then you engage your transfer case, and then you're in 4-wheel drive. And to take it back out of 4-wheel drive, you also need to be in neutral, and you just deactivate it in the same exact direction, and the light will turn off when it's deactivated. Here are your power mirror controls. This button right here will slide them out for hauling purposes or back in. And if you're in a tight spot and you just need to fold the mirrors all the way in, just pull it all the way down and they fold all the way in. And to fold them back out, you just click the button down one more time and the mirrors automatically fold out. Let's go to the back of the cab.